Welcome back. Now, once you have the number of initial listings you want to set up, you can then click Save and Continue, and you can go to the next step. And what you're going to do now is you're going to set up your payment method. Now, we're first going to select our country. Now, for the sake of this video, we're going to put in the country as the United States. You are going to want to put in your country where you are doing business. What you're then going to do is you're going to write in your account name, your account type, the routing number, and the account number where you're going to want to have your funds deposited. You're also going to be asked for other identifying information: your first name, last name, your date of birth, your social security number, as well as your home address. Again, this information may vary according to what country you're going to be in, but the identifying information you're going to need at this point in order to match your account where your funds are going to be deposited. Now, what you're basically setting up here is going to be Etsy payments. And Etsy payments gives your buyer multiple options in order to make payments to you. Now, this payment system you are going to want to be aware of in the FAQ section as of the recording of this video. And depending on when you're watching, you are going to want to read the FAQ for the payment section. Now, there are 4 sections here currently. Each one is very important in terms of how you're going to be paid. First, you do need to have Etsy payments for your shop on Etsy. That is a requirement. Secondly, Etsy payments does charge you a certain amount for fees. Third, what we're about to do is turn on those payment settings. But if you're not in this section, you are going to want to click this link to go to your payment settings. Now, you'll notice there is a question here about PayPal. Now, what you can do is you can have Etsy take the payment and then move those funds into your bank account. However, what you can do also is to connect your personal PayPal into the transaction. So basically now what you want to do is to finish setting up your Etsy payment system. Now, once you have set up your bank account information, what you're going to need to do then is you're going to need to set up a credit card in order to be charged for your listing. What's going to happen is you're going to be charged on the first day of the next calendar month for all of the listings that you have on your site. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and set up your credit card and your billing. And once you've done that, your listing is then set. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.